Yeah, good evening and very warm welcome to Subcase decennial celebrations. This celebration is even more special as Basics Group is celebrating 25 years of livelihood promotion. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all Subcase employees, agents, Basics Group companies, our customers, partners, board members, investors, friends and well-wishers across the globe for gracing this occasion. We have tried everything possible in these difficult times, posed by COVID-19, right from digitizing all possible processes, launching e-learning modules for customers as well as employees, e-collections, e-town halls, e-meetings, and not to forget e-parties. And now e-launching our transformed new version, Subk 2.0. I would like to take you on a brief journey of Subcase evolution in terms of milestones and numbers. The impact of these milestones and numbers can be seen in smiles of our cherished customers and their families. So at Subk, we offer affordable, accessible, and scalable digital financial solutions to the BOP segment. So how the journey started. So 2010 is the year when Subk was born with a vision of financial inclusion through agent banking, focusing on account opening and card payments, bridging India with Bharat in true sense. And 2011, the first tranche of Series A equity raised from my and Susan Dell Foundation. 2012, second tranche of equity from MSDF received and technical partnership forged with Include Solutions to march forward. 2013, operating models and SOPs redefined to take care of upcoming challenges and opportunities. 2014, the third tranche of equity infusion came from MSDF along with addition infusion from Basics Limited. Subk had footprint in 15 states through agent network by this time. 2015, this was another transformative year for Subk as credit operations were started by merging microcredit services from IGS, a Basics Group affiliate company. 2016, technological improvements were made to enable eKYC, AEPS, and RuPay. 2017, MSME vertical launched with digital interface for aspiring New India. 2018, raised Series B round from MSDF, Axion, and NMI. Assets under management crossed 1,000 crore, a big milestone for all of us at Subk. 2019, raised Series C funding from Marginvest, and our digital transformation journey was started by partnering with Axion Global Advisory Solutions. And we are entering 2020 with Subk 2.0, operating in 27 states, 253 districts, 5 million plus customers, 12 banking partnerships, and more than 10,000 customer connect points. From just 253 customer touch points in the first year of operation, we have closed March 2020 with more than 10,000 customer touch points across all business verticals. Credit operations launched in financial year 15-16 has come a long way from 2.74 lakh outstanding accounts and 405 crore outstanding amount. In the first year of credit operation, we closed March 2020 with more than 6 lakh outstanding customers and 1,348 crore of outstanding. Savings and insurance play a very important and critical role in financial inclusion of our set of customers. We never lost sight of this important element and mobilized 1,744 crore savings on behalf of our banking partners as on March 2020. Customer serviceability capability of Subk has increased manifold from 50,000 customers serviced in the first year of operation to more than 5 million customers serviced in financial year 1920. We started the client servicing journey with agent network through state-of-the-art technology, but started expanding our footprint through physical branches from 2015 onwards after foraying into credit operations. We are 2,000 plus strong team at Subk now to take our Subk 2.0 to next level. Our revenue has grown at a CAGR of 37% from 0.5 crore to 120 crore as on March 2020. We started with a net worth of 3 crore in the year 2010, and by March 2020, we reached net worth of 157 crore.